Hello everyone, this is Young Choi, your instructor of MG303, and question number 30, question number 43 illustration as part of the chapter 4, homework 4. And in this case, the tropical storm becomes hurricane with a certain chance, and then this case illustrates the Cuba touchdown, either from the hurricane or tropical storm. And actually we had a tropical storm. I don't know whether it became a hurricane or not, but I don't think it's kind of a hurricane for here in Saipan. Anyway, I kind of made a joint probability like this, according to the illustration. About 69% the initial chance of 69% that Isaac become a hurricane, and the tropical kind of storm that will be 31% in this case. So they are mutually exclusive. So the chance of a hurricane 69% and chance of tropical storm, which is a complementary of the hurricane, that case 1 minus 0.69, so 31%. That's the kind of answer on question number A. Question number B, and what is the kind of a chance that the Cuba, when they touch down in Cuba, whether they are likely a hurricane or the tropical storm? So in this case, given fact, about 8% will be hurricane and 20% will be tropical storm when they reach Cuba. So what we can do, we can make a joint conditional probability by multiplying 69% with the 8%. So it gives a 5%, 5.52, and then 20% multiplied by the tropical storm ratio, 0.31 in this case. So we have about 6.2% in Cuba as a tropical storm. So total 11.72% will be touchdown. Out of that, likely about this much will be the ratio. So the portion of this like a hurricane which can be touched down in Cuba will be 47%, a little over 47% out here. So 5% out of 11% around that area. So that's the case. Again, your textbook illustrates the formula approach, but as I indicated in the class lecture, tabular format is a lot easier for us to understand what's going on. So this is a over global level, I would say top level distribution of the probability. Actually it's 69% for the hurricane and 31% tropical storm, and then we multiply with the ratio of the touchdown ratio, 8% as a hurricane, as a tropical 20%. So we can have a joint probability like this, and then out of this 11%, what's the percentage of this one? That will be about 47.099%. So we can address about the C, what happens to the chance of becoming hurricane when a tropical storm passes over a landmass such as Cuba. In this case, we can say 69% of the chance of a hurricane, but when they touch down to Cuba, we have only 47%, 47.1% roughly, will be staying with the hurricane, and the other side will be just like a complementary of this one. So we can say something decreasing probability, like a 47% from 69%. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.